CDF defined for continuous random variable as probability or f(x) of x is equal to probability when x is greater than a and less than or equal to b. Since probability when x is greater than a and less than or equal to b is equal to integration with limit minus infinity to is equal to fxb minus fx of a, or either we can represent as or in this way, or fx of x is equal to integration minus infinity to x fx of t dt. Let us do one question to understand this well. These are formulas for discrete and continuous, and now let us do question for them. I'm sending you question, okay? Just few seconds. I'm sending you question. Let us do this. So we have PDF and we need to find CDF. Okay. And one more formula or property of probability, as we know, I'm writing here. Summation, just a second. Summation Px is equal to x. In an experiment, as you know, this is 1. And for discrete random variable and for continuous limit from minus infinity to infinity, fx dx is equal to 1. property of probability. So in question, they have given to us PDF fx fx is equal to k into x square plus x if x is greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to 1. And 0 else. Hmm. In solution, since from minus infinity to infinity fx dx is equal to 1, means whatever limit we have between these two. So here we have this. Okay. So limit 0 to infinite, 0 to 1 we have in question. Fx dx is equal to 1. Then limit 0 to 1 and fx is k into x square plus x into dx is equal to 1. Meaning is that by using this concept, we need to find value of k first because this is unknown value, okay? Then we will use CDF formula, okay? So k is constant and we have x cube by 3 plus x square by 2 and limit 0 to 1 is equal to so k to 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 1. So we have 5 by 6 into k is equal to 1 and k is equal to 6 by 5. Okay. Then cumulative or CDF we have, because we find CDF for this interval, minus infinity to x. Okay, we find CDF for this interval. So let us do. Since CDF fx, capital Fx, is the function of PDF, why it is? Because we integrate this fx to find this fx. Okay, so this fx is PDF, obviously. That is why we are saying. Function of PDF, and it can be integrated within the interval. minus infinity to x. As fx is equal to integration limit minus infinity to x fx dx. Here, in this question here, x is in interval 0 and 1. Then fx can be defined as like we can take it as